Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equations by using factoring. Our first example is a very straightforward example. We're going to solve the equation x minus 4 times 2x plus 3 equals 0. Note that the left side is already factored. Also, note that the equation is already equal to 0. When this is the case, we are going to set each factor equal to 0. So we have x minus 4 equals 0 and 2x plus 3 equals 0. Now solve each equation individually. To solve this first equation, we add 4 to both sides and get x equals 4. To solve the second equation, we start by subtracting 3 from both sides. Then we divide both sides by 2 to get a final answer of x equals -3/2. So those two numbers are the solutions to our original equation. That was easy because the left side was already factored and the equation was equal to 0. Now we're going to do another harder example. We're going to solve the equation x times x minus 9 equals 3x minus 27. The equation is not equal to 0, so we cannot set each factor equal to 0 like we did in the previous example. The first step here is going to be to distribute the x to both terms. Now we want to get this equation equal to 0. To do that, we are going to subtract 3x from both sides. And then we are going to add 27 to both sides. Again, our step here was to get equal to 0, because you could only solve these when they are set equal to 0. Now we have a polynomial that is equal to 0. Now we need to factor our polynomial. To factor x squared minus 12x plus 27, we will need to find two numbers which multiply to 27 and which have a sum of -12. Those two numbers are a -3 and -9. Since our trinomial starts with a 1, we can go straight to parentheses. Both parentheses are going to start with an x, and then we put the numbers we just found into those parentheses. Now we have factored the left side, but we are not finished because we still have this equals 0. To finish, we are going to set each factor equal to 0. So x minus 3 equals 0, and x minus 9 equals 0. To finish, we are going to add 3 to both sides to get x equals 3 as one of your answers, and add 9 to both sides to get x equals 9 as your other answer. So again, the steps were distribute this x and then subtract and add to get everything on the left side and set your equation equal to 0. Factor the left side and set each factor equal to 0 and solve. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.